Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to show indicators for emails sent to you. So to find emails sent to you, you can turn on indicators in Gmail. Indicators basically add arrows next to the emails that have been sent to you. So let's see how indicators work. For emails sent to you and a group, a single arrow will display. For emails that have been sent only to you, a double arrow will display. And for emails that have been sent to a mailing list, no arrows will display. So let's see how to turn these indicators on. You have to go to settings, then click on see all settings. Now under the general tab itself, we have to look for personal level indicators. Here it is, personal level indicators. So at the moment, no indicators has been selected. We'll just select show indicators, which will display an arrow by messages sent to my address, not a mailing list, and a double arrow by messages sent only to me. I'll save the changes. Now Gmail will reload and you can see the indicators. You can see all the double indicators here because these emails have been sent to me only. So this is how you can turn on indicators. And now to turn it off, simply you have to go to settings again. And again, we have to go to personal level indicators and select no indicators. Save changes. Gmail will refresh again and you will see that all the indicators have gone. So that is how you can turn on and turn off indicators in Gmail. Hope you find this video useful. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.